It's alive! But it can't see! Our mystery build is almost finished, but it's missing its senses. To unlock bag number 4, we have to master the art of light. Today, I'm showing you how to send a secret shadow signal. If we can project our code across the room, we unlock the eyes of our project. Hit subscribe if you're ready for the glow-up. Step 1. The projector. Take a paper cup and cut the bottom out. Now, cover the top with plastic wrap and secure it with a rubber band. This is our invisible lens. Now, draw a small logo or a star on the plastic wrap. Keep your drawing small, because the smaller it is, the bigger it will look on the wall. Step 2. The beam. When we shine light through our cup, it projects our secret signal onto the wall. Watch! Whoa! It's like the bat signal, but for master creators. Now for the final tease. The signal worked. Time to open silver bag number 4. We found them. The eyes. Our mystery build can finally see. There's only one bag left, and it's the heaviest one yet. Part 5 is the grand finale. Subscribe so you don't miss the reveal.